Hello everyone, this is me Gul and welcome to my YouTube channel English with Gul. Today our topic is how to become fluent in English. Yes, becoming fluent in English takes practice and dedication. But don't worry, there are some key strategies that can help you a lot in your English fluency journey. The first one is practice regularly. Yes, speak, read, and write in English regularly. The more you speak, read, and write in English, the more better you will get the result. The second one is listen to English. Yes, listen to podcasts, watching TVs or English movies or YouTube videos in English. This will help you a lot in your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary, and understanding that how people speaks in real situations. Yes, the third one is expand your vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases on daily basis. Keep a notebook to write down the new words and their meanings. The fourth one is speak with others. Find language exchange partners, join online groups or communities in English language, and practice speaking with friends or tutors. This will help a lot in your English fluency journey. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. The fifth one is focus on pronunciation. Yes, practice speaking correctly and clearly will help you a lot in your English fluency journey. Use apps or videos to help you in your difficult words and sound accents. The sixth one is don't be afraid of mistakes. Yes, fluency comes with practice, and don't be afraid of making mistakes because these are all part of learning. The seventh one is immerse yourself in English. Yes, this is right. Surround yourself in English by changing your font setting and using social media, posts, articles, and watching TVs and other social media platforms. All are in your English language. Will help you a lot in your English fluency journey. The next step which you follow is to using apps or resources, online resources. Yes, using apps like Duolingo, ChatGPT, or AI can help you a lot in your English fluency journey or in English improvement. Yes. The second last one is learn grammar but focus on communication. Yes, in grammar is very important as we know, but your focus is on communication because when you become fluent, when you want to become fluent, your communication must be good and in excellent way. The last one is be consistent. If you are consistent, so fluency is very easy for you. Set an achievable goals such as learning 10 new words and vocabulary and practicing daily for 30 minutes of speaking English is very important in your English fluency journey. Over time, you will notice that you will get more natural and comfortable when speaking English. If you like this video, hit the bell icon. Thank you.